Just a quick video on how to change the toner in a HP LaserJet 1320 printer. And you notice there's some seams along here. Those are for the door to the toner cartridge. So you can just kind of gently pull them open like this. And then you see the toner cartridge. From there, you grab by the handle. Notice there's this weird little bumps there. Basically that's indicating where to go put your fingers. So you can pull it out. And it kind of comes out and then angles up like this. With the new cartridge, you may want to just gently, give it a little shake to loosen the toner just in case it's settled during storage. From there, when you put it in, you want to make sure these bits align with the openings along the sides, like so. Now, if you don't put it all the way, the door is not going to close properly. So the best thing to do is just pull it out, slide it back in, push it in until it clicks into place. From there, you can close the door. The printer will cycle and do a little self-test, and you should be good to go. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.